In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Deluge Zoho CRM. We are going to walk through the process of creating a Deluge function inside Zoho CRM. This is the area where you can write custom automation and logic using Deluge, which stands for Zoho's programming language for business logic. The goal of this walkthrough is to take you from the Zoho CRM setup screen to writing your script, saving it, and running a manual test so you can confirm it works. To begin, open Zoho CRM and look for the setup area. In the top right corner of the interface, you will see a gear icon. Click that gear icon to enter setup. This is where all configuration and developer options live, so it is the right starting point before you create anything new. Once you are in setup, you will want to find the Developer Hub section. In the Setup navigation, look for Developer Hub and then click Functions. This is where Zoho organizes Deluge functions. Think of this screen as the place where functions are created, managed, and later tested, so you can build automation in a controlled way. Next, you will create a new function. Look for the option to create a function, usually labeled Create Function, and click it. When you click that, the system will open a form where you can define the basics of your function. Taking a moment here to set the name and category correctly helps you organize your work, especially if you will create more than one function later. In the function creation form, enter a function name. Choose something clear and meaningful so it is easy to recognize later. After that, select your category. The category is used for organization and determines how the function is grouped within the platform. When you have entered the function name and selected the right category, click Create. At this point, Zoho CRM will generate the function and bring you into the editor environment. Now you are ready to write the script itself. Look for the Deluge editor canvas. This is the main area where the code or script content appears and where you will type your Deluge logic. Write your script in this editor canvas. Take your time here and make sure your script is written exactly as you intend. If your script is meant to process data or handle a workflow, this is the place where those rules are defined. As you write, it can help to focus on the purpose of the function and keep your code aligned with that purpose. Deluge scripts often interact with Zoho CRM data, so your goal is to produce the correct outputs when the function runs. The editor canvas is built for that workflow, so as long as you write within the provided space, you are in the right place. After your script is complete, you will want to save it and test it. Click Save to run a manual script test. This step is important because saving triggers the validation and allows Zoho to run the function manually. By doing a manual test, you can check whether the script executes successfully and whether the results match what you expect. Once you click Save, watch for the confirmation or test output that Zoho provides. This can help you identify issues early, such as syntax errors or logic problems. If the test indicates any problems, you can return to the editor, adjust the script, and then save again for another manual test. That is the full workflow: entering setup, opening Developer Hub, creating a function, writing your Deluge code in the editor canvas, and saving to run a manual test so you can verify it works. That covers everything you need to know.